Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about the heart model, which is on activity 9 on your guys' white sheet. The first, I'm gonna talk about the heart structure, which is on table 4. First thing that we going to understand is the blood gonna flow into your right side of the heart. The first part is your left and your right brachiocephalic vein, and then it's gonna pass through the superior vena cava, which is this part. Then the blood gonna flow into your right atrium, the right atrium. Then it's gonna flow to your right ventricle. Between your right atrium and your right ventricle, you're gonna have the right AV valve or your tricuspid valve, or which is this part, the valve. After your right ventricle, the blood gonna flow to the pulmonary semiannular valve, which is this part, is the valve, to pulmonary trunk, which is number 9, this part, go to your pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, the blood that contained here gonna go to your lung and then have exchange the gas, and then will come back to the left side of your heart, which is come back to your pulmonary vein, your left pulmonary vein, which is this number 8, this part. From pulmonary vein, the blood gonna flow into your left atrium, which is this part, your left atrium, go to your left ventricle. Between your left atrium and then your left ventricle, it's gonna pass through the left AV valve, which is the valve here, the left AV valve, or you can call it another name, bicuspid valve. From that, from left ventricle, the blood gonna flow into your aortic semiannular valve, which is this part, number 45, go to your aorta, which is the biggest part of your artery. From aorta, go to number 12, here is aortic arch. Then I'm gonna talk about other structure of the heart, or the external structure. The first one is interatrial septum. So interatrial septum is between your right and your left atrium, which is this part. So right atrial and the left atrial, you have your interatrial septum, and fossa ovalis is the part on your right atrium, which is the fetus has the fossa ovalis, which is this part, number 55. The next one, interventricular septum, is between your right and your left ventricle. This part is interventricular septum. The next one is chordae tendineae, is the part of the hamstring structure, which is this white part here, chordae tendineae. And the next one, the papillary muscle, which is the part where is the hamstring attached to, which is the papillary muscle. And trabecular cornea is the muscle of your heart on your, this part will be your right ventricle. And if you can see in this part, this is also your trabecular cornea. Then go to table 5, is coronary circulation. The first part is right coronary artery, which is on your right side of your heart, which is this artery is called right coronary artery. Go down here, you have the marginal artery,